this was pretty good. The sneeze is gone. The sneeze is gone. I repeat, the sneeze is gone. Okay, which one is good? One is probably good. 2 and 3 are just like, you know, like when you are about to take a photo and then you drop the camera, but it's still snapping away. Okay. Number 1. I mean, this is real good. Sandy Buzz. It's gone. Okay. Next one. April Dawn. Torchic. Number 3. Or 3 stars. Yeah. I like the one that's on fire. No subject. We tried with these ones. Alright, Shelly.
Now then. New discovery.
Aki-senpai! I have summoned Aki-senpai. Thank you. Scorpion! That was a triple! I'm fine. Yeah, my nose. Bless me, thank you. Heliolisk.
A new discovery.
A new discovery.